Hello everyone, welcome to CodeCrazily, and this is our next lecture in Java programming. So in the previous lecture we saw the history and features of Java. Now we're gonna see about JRE, JDK and all about the Java. And I promise you this is the last theory session of the Java. Okay, from next video we're gonna see the how to install Java, how to write our first program. Okay, now first we're going to see what are the how we can compile Java with help of what. So before going into the topic, I wanna uh I wanna say first let's go into a restaurant. Okay, sorry. First let's go to a restaurant. Okay, so in a restaurant, not as a customer, but as a chef. Okay, but as a chef, we're going into restaurant and let's go to the kitchen. In kitchen, we have tools like stove, utensils, salt, pepper, etc. And here I am as a chef who is new. Okay. And as I am new, I don't know the rules and regulations of that kitchen. So I'm gonna give the instructions with myself. Okay. Why I'm saying all this now? Now we will go to the actual concepts called JDK. What is JDK? It is nothing but Java Development Kit. So which provides us JRE and development tools. What are these? What are you saying? I am saying that these JRE and development tools helps us to write a code, compile it, and execute it. Okay, now I'm gonna say this kitchen here is called JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so this Java Runtime Environment help provides us to write a code and to execute it. Okay, now what are the development tools here are stove, utensils, or all the development tools which we need, which the chef need to prepare a recipe. Here my recipe is nothing but my Java code, and the chef is the one who develop or who executes, okay, who executes the code. Now these instructions are nothing but libraries. Okay, these instructions are nothing but library which are present in JRE. Okay, means if we want to perform a function repeatedly, if we want to perform a task repeatedly, which are using globally, like which performs a common task, it is already predefined in the libraries. So my JRE will have those common tasks in the form of libraries, so that my chef, who is nothing but JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, he or she, this JVM will take the tasks from the libraries and executes it in the runtime environment and compile it step by step. So what I am trying to say here is in Java development kit, we have JRE and development tools. These development tools helps us to compile and execute or launch the program with the help of Java virtual machines and libraries. All this will be done in Java runtime environment. As now in water development tools, here stove utensils. So we water development tools are compiler and launcher. Okay, means it compile it means it will convert into bytecode, and launcher it will execute the bytecode. Okay, so this is the basic JDK and development tools that will execute our Java code. Okay, so I hope you understood the difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, and libraries, and also development tools. So if you like the content, please subscribe, and if you like, share and subscribe, and please comment if I understood the concept, so that it will be easier for me to see the things in this format. So from the next video, we're gonna install our JDK and we're gonna see how to keep it in the path, and we will be executing our first Hello World program. Thank you. Subscribe. If you like the content, please subscribe CodeCrazily, and happy coding. Bye bye until my next video.